in the Cicada Stakes. And it is Just Read It from the outside, but Save quickly moves up to grab the lead. Save is in front. Just Read It's on the outside. Exogen is down at the rail. It's almost 4 lengths. Back to Salt Plage, who trails the field in fourth. It is Save with the lead here by a half length. Just Read It on the outside in second. Exogen down at the rail. Salt Plage has now gotten closer, a little more than 3 lengths off of front-running Save. The quarter went in 23 seconds. It's Save in front by a neck. Just Read It on the outside in second. Salt Plage on the outside of Exogen. Those two are heads apart, third and fourth. As they race around the far turn, it is Save with the lead over Just Read It. Salt Plage now takes third. Long shot Exogen is fourth, and the field is at the top of the stretch. It is Save, challenged here on the outside by Just Read It. Exogen looks to rally down at the rail, and in the middle of the track is Salt Plage as they come down for the 8th pole, and Just Read It has now taken over. It's Just Read It in front. Exogen moving into second, a 16th to the wire. Just Read It, Exogen driving up the inside. It's Just Read It and Exogen, and it's going to be tight here as they come on for the finish, and it is a photo finish. It looked like Just Read It held on. Just Read It and Exogen heads apart in the Cicada. Number 5, Just Read It was first. Number 1, Exogen second. Number 4, Save finished third. Number 3, Salt Plage was fourth. Results unofficial. 5-1-4-3.